Secure VESA extensions to the main plate, multi-angle adjustable for perfect fit. Note: you can attach VESA extension plates at different angles. Place mount at desired height and check alignment using a water level. Mark for drill points and drill with an 8mm bit. Secure the wall mount to the wall using hardware A, B, and C. Recheck alignment with a water level. Remove the screws from the VESA plate. Position VESA assembly onto wall mount. Secure firmly with rear locking screws. Adjust tilt position and using the Allen key.